Good morning students, welcome to new class. Today I am going to start exercise 2.2. So let us start exercise 2.2. This is based on linear equations. Now we are going to learn the linear equations based on the word problems. Okay, so let us start exercise 2.2. Go to question number 1. Read the question. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the results by 1 by 2, you get 1 upon it. What is the number? So what we have to do, we have to subtract the numbers. So we'll get, after subtracting the number, we have to get the answer 1 by 2, and after that we have to multiply that answer by 1 by 2, so we'll get the answer 1 by 8. So what should number should be that we have to subtract? So see, in the question, according to this question, the equations will form like this. You just see the equations, this one. Yes, this is what 1 by 2 is subtracted, yes or no? That is x minus 1 by 2 will be subtracted. This main thing equals to 1 by 8. In the same way we had done, yes or no? So let us see. Now we have to solve the equations. So what we have to do, here 2 is there and here 2 is there. So what we have to do, we have to both the sides we have to multiply the 2. So what will get, this 2 and this 2 will get cut, this 2 right hand side, and here what will remain, 8 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So what will remain here, what will remain, 1 upon 2 will remain, 1 upon 2, okay, 1 upon x minus 1 upon 2, only this will remain, bracket 1, and 1 upon 4. So after that what we have to do, if we are shifting the number 1 upon 2 to right hand side, so it is here, it is given minus, so we have to add both the sides by 1 upon 2. So just see, x minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 equals to 1 upon 4 plus 2. So plus and minus 1 upon 2 will get the 0, yes or no? Now what we have to do, we have to take the LCM. Okay, see, we have to take the LCM of 4 and 2. What will be the LCM? That is 4 only. This 4 1s are 4, yes, like that. 1 upon 4 है तो 4 1s are 4, तो ये multiply 1 होगा. Then plus is what is given, 1 upon 2, so 2 2s are 4. Here also 2 will come. So what will remain? That is 1 plus 2 upon 4, yes or no? Like that. 1 upon 1 plus t is, that is 3 upon 4. So we'll get the answer, x equals to 3 upon 4. Got the answers. The required number what is there, that is 3 upon 4. Got the answer. Now go to question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than the twice its breadth. उसका breadth उससे double है. So what are the length और breadth क्या होगा? So let the breadth which is given in the question, let the breadth of the questions, let the breadth of the pool, swimming pool is x meter. Then the length of the pool is what? See, it is here given that it is, the length is 2 more than twice. Okay, so 2x it is, 2x plus 2. So what will remain, that is length is 2x plus 2 meter. Now what we have to do, we have to just do the follow the perimeter of a rectangular method, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Now put the values. Okay, perimeter is given 154 equals to 2, length is given, that is 2x plus 2 plus x. So what will get the answer here, 154. See, now 2 will be shifted this side. So what we have to do, we have to divide both the sides by 2. आप see, जनरली आप करोगे तो ये क्या करोगे, 154 को, ये 2 को, ये जो 2 क्वेश्चंस इसमें जो 2 दिया है ब्रैकेट से पहले, दिस वन, तो ये 2 को आप ये साइड शिफ्ट कर दोगे कि नहीं? तो इसी से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि दोनों साइड हम लोगों को वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस बोथ द साइड्स बाय 2. तो ये 2 ऊपर है, ये ब्रैकेट में जो दिया है, ये 2 कट हो जाएगा, ये 2 को ये 2 से कट करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, 2 7 जा 14, देन अगेन 2 7 जा 14. सो 77 दिख रहा है आपको क्वेश्चन में, 77 इक्वल्स टू x 2x प्लस x इज 3x प्लस 2 हो गया. देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, प्लस 2 यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, सो प्लस 2 दोनों साइड अपोजिट प्लस का क्या होगा माइनस, तो विल टेक -2 बोथ द साइड्स. ओके, सो -2 and -2 will be subtracted on both the sides. So let us see 75/3 equals to 3x. 3x upon 3 will remain. Okay, now what we have to do, again here we have to divide the numbers by 3 only. So after dividing the numbers we'll get the number x equals to 25. So let us put up the value of this x. Okay, so length of the pool is 2x plus 2, that is 2 into 25 plus 2. So what we'll get, 2 into 25 will 50. 50 plus 2 equals to 52 meter. Breadth will be x only, that is 25 meters. So the length of the pool is 52 and the breadth is 25 meter. Yes or no, students? I will learn. Now we go to question number 3. What is question number 3? The base of an isosceles triangle is given, that is 4.4 upon 3 centimeter. The perimeter of this triangle is what? That is 4 into 2 upon 15. Now what is the length of the remaining equal side? We have to find out the length of the side. So let us see, whichever which are finding, that will be taken as x. So let each equal sides of the triangle be x centimeter. Yes or no? Length. Okay, now perimeter of rectangle equals to sum of all 3 sides. Isosceles triangle having 3 sides. Yes or no? That you know. So 3 sides is that. Now see what you have to do. You have to just add the sum of all 3 angles. One is given already, एक आपको दिया है, 2 आपको x वैल्यू करना है. तो this what is perimeter is given, 4 2 upon 15 equals to 4 upon 3 x plus x. Now 15 4s are, what you have to do, we have to just have to multiply this number. So what will get, then that's 15 into 4. Okay, then plus 2. 15 4s are 60. 60 plus 2 will be 60 upon 62. ये आएगा upon 15 सेम होगा, तो it will be 62 upon 15. Yes or no? Got the answer? In the same way here also we will do. X plus x is what? 2x. So 4 upon 3 plus 2x will remain. Okay, now see, now what you have to do, we have to just see here, if we are shifting this number 4 upon 3 and putting 2, we are putting the 2x in one side. So what we'll get, we have to subtract here, plus 4 upon 3 is given in the question. So what we have to do, we have to take the subtraction. So 4 upon 3 will be subtracted both the sides. So 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3 equals to 4 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3 plus 2x. Minus 4 upon 3 and plus 4 upon 3 will get the 0. Now see, we have to take the LCM of 15 and 3, which is given here. See in the question only, see here, this one 15 and 3, we have to take the LCM. So LCM will be 15 only, this will become 62 upon 15. Okay, like that. So then minus what is given, 4 upon 3. So ये 1 जा कट हो जाएगा. This will become 3 5s are 15 and this will become that 4 5s are 20 and this will remain 7. So we'll get 62 upon this 4 5s are 20 upon this 15. Yes or no? It is given. Yes. Now see, equals to this 4.3 and this 4.3. This will cut. Yes or no? So what will remain? Only this 2.2x. Yes or no? Now see, 65 minus 20 upon 15 equals to 2x. Now what will remain? That is 42 upon 15 equals to 2x. Now see, what we are going to do, we are just shifting the 2, that is 2x is, then we are shifting the number. So what we have to do, we have to divide both the sides by 2. After dividing, what will get the answer, that is x equals to 7 upon 5. We have to divide the 7 by 5, we will get the answer 2 upon 5 centimeters. So each equal side of isosceles triangle is 2 upon 5 centimeter. Yes or no? Question number 4 is very easy. Question number 4, see, sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds this other by 15, find the numbers. What we have to do, we have to find the numbers. So sum is total is given, that is 95. So the first number be x and another number be x plus 15. So x is by 15, it is given in the question. So that's why we are just having x plus 15. Okay, now see, x. According to the question, what we do, x plus x means we have to add both the numbers. Sum is given na, so we have to add both the numbers. That is x plus 15 equals to 95. That is 2x plus 15 equals to 95. Now what we have to do, here plus 15 is there, so we are just going to subtract both the sides by 15. So what will remain, that is 2x equals to 80. Now what we have to do, if we are shifting this x equals to 80 upon 2, it means that we are just dividing. So what we have to do, we divide both the sides by 2. By dividing, it will become 80 upon 2. So cut that number, so we'll get the number x equals to 40. The first number will be 40, then second number that is given, that is x plus 15, that is 40 plus 15. So we'll get the answer 55. The second numbers which is given is 55. The first number and second number both are 40 and 45. Have you understood, son? Question number 5 is easy, you can do it by your own. Question number 6, 3 consecutive numbers is given. This first we are taking x, then second x plus 1, x plus 2. So you can do it by your own. Okay, the sum of the 3, question number 6 and 7 is both the same. So okay, you can do it. Question number 8 now see the question number 8. 3 consecutive integers such that when they are taken in interesting order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. Now what you have to do, let 3 consecutive numbers जो given है, that will be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, as in the previous we had studied. Now according to the question, what we have to do, sum find out करना है. So all these numbers will be added. So just see according to the question, 2x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 2 equals to 74. It is given according to the, okay, if here it is increasing order, if it is multiplied, that is 2, 3, 4. That's why we are multiplying with the x 2 and x plus 1 with 3 and x plus 2 को 4 से. Okay, we'll get the answer 74. That is sum is given in the questions. Add up करना है, then we have to put the numbers. That is, we have to just multiply inside the numbers. See this one first. This one is given na, the first 3 into is 3 into x plus 1, so we'll get a 3 into x is 3x plus 3 ones are 3. ये दोनों से multiply करना है like that. Okay, we'll get the answer 3x plus 3 which is given. Yes, got the answer. Now next 4x will be multiplied. Now 4 into x is 4x. Yes, then 4 2 is 8 plus 8 will become, here it is given in the question. Now it is given 74. Now see, we have to add the numbers of x. Okay, after adding, what will 2 plus 3, 6 plus 4, how many are there, 2 3 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5x, sorry student, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9x plus number is 8 plus 3 is 11. That 9x plus 11 equals to 74. Now it is here given plus 11. So what we have to do, we have to subtract both the sides by 11. So 9x equals to 63 upon, we'll get the answer 63. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to divide both the sides by 9. So what will get the answer, x equals to 7. So first integer is, that is x, so x is 7. Now again second integer is x plus 1, that is 7 plus 1 is 8. The third integer is x plus 2, means 7 plus 2, it is 9. Okay students, have you understood? Now go to question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present age? अब इन लोग का रेशियो में एज दिया हुआ है, कुछ साल के बाद 4 years के बाद their ages will become 56. So how will you find out? Let the present age जो है according to the ratio will be 5x year plus 7x year. Okay, so according to the question, what you have to do, after 4 years के बाद ना, after 4 years it means we have to divide, we had to add the numbers 4, that is 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 equals to 56. That is 5x and plus 7x, what you'll get, that is 5 plus 7 is 12x, 4 plus 4 is 8. So 12x plus 8 equals to 56. Yes or no? Now here just see, it is plus 8 is given. Yes or no in the first line? So what we have to do here, plus 8 is given, so we just do the subtraction 8 on both the sides. Okay, so 12x plus 8 minus 8 equals to 56 minus 8. So what will get the answer? Plus 8 and minus 8 will be 0. So 12x equals to 48. So what we have to do, if we are going to go directly x equals to 48 upon 12 also, or we will divide the both the sides by 12, then got the answer x equals to 4. Yes or no? Then present age of the Rahul is 5x, that is 5 into 4, 20 years. Then present age of Arun is 7x, that is 7 into 4, that is 28 years. Have you understood, students? Now go to question number 10. Question number 10 is what? You just see the number of boys and girls in a class in the ratio. Okay, so now go to question number 11. Okay, see here we are done divided by both the sides in 2x upon 2 and 2, so x will become 20. So the number of girls, sorry, it will be question number 10 and this question number 9, both are same, means it is almost same. Do it by your own. Okay students, gonna go to question number 11. 11 and 12 questions both are same, only I will explain question number 11 and question number 12 will be your homework. Okay, now Bachung's father is 26 years younger than Bachung's grandmother and 29 years older than Bachung. The sum of the ages of all three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? See, there are three. So Bachung's father and grandfather. Okay, both three. There all the ages will be 135. So we have to find out the age of the different members. So let us see the solution how we are going to do. Let Bachu's age, which is given, is x years. Then Bachu's father will be, here it is given that Bachu's father is 20. See, here it is Bachu's father is x plus Bachu's father is given 26. Yes or no? Yes, here it is given 26. Yes, see, this 26 is given. So what we have to do, Bachu's father's age is x plus 26. Students, here it is given 26. Grandfather's is Bachu's grandfather's age. So do the correction here. It will not become here. Here it is 20. Here just add 29, cut that number, it will become 26, because that Bachung's father's age, the father's age is 26 years is given. Okay, so just write down that x plus 29. Okay, now Bachung's grandmother's age is x plus 29 plus x, which is given in the question. Okay, that is x plus is how much it is given, x plus 29 and plus this 26. Okay, so x plus will 29 plus 26 will be x plus 55 years. That is Bachung's granddaughters. Sorry, daughters is there. Now according to the question, what you are going to do, see, x plus x, x plus x plus 29 plus x plus 55, this one. Okay, just see, this one will be added, this x will be added, and this number x plus 5 will be added. So we are doing 3, we are just adding. Okay, now see, 3x plus, after adding 29 plus 55, what will get that? That is 84. Yes or no? It equals to, see, first what we have to do, we have to add x one side and that. Now see what we are going to see, how it is become. In the question it is given already sum of the age. So x plus x plus x, that is 3x, this 29 plus 55 is 84. So 3x plus 84 equals to 135. See, here plus 84 is given in the middle. So what we have to do, we have to subtract both the sides by 84. That is 3x plus 84 minus 84, 135 minus 84, that is 3x equals to 51. Yes, now what we have to do, we have to just divide both the sides by 3. See that it is very simple, you can understand that 3x equals to 51 is given. So if we are going x equals to, this will shift here, 51 become 3. So what we have to do, we have to divide both the sides by 3. So 3 will cut, and this 3 equal 3 17s are 51. So got the answer, that is x equals to 17 years. Now Bachung's age is x years, that is 17 years. Bachung father's age is what, that is x plus 29, that is 46 years. Sorry, here just do the correction student, it is not 29, it is 26 is here, and now here we have to add 17 plus 29 plus, that is 72 years. Okay students, please do the correction here. Okay students, now go to question number 12. Question number 12 is as it is same we had done. Okay, now go to question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5/2 and add 2/3 to the product, you get minus 7/12. So what will be the number? So what you have to do, we have to see rational numbers is given. If we are multiplying the numbers or adding the numbers, we have to will get the product, will get the answer, that is minus 7/12. So we have to see what number should be multiplied. So let us see. Let the numbers, sorry, multiply not add. Okay, so let the rational numbers be x, the rational numbers which is asked, that will be x. Okay, now according to question is 5/2. so which number will be multiplied? So 5/2, this rational numbers will multiply, that is 5/2 into x plus this 2/3. It will get the answer minus 7/12, which is given in the question. Yes or no? Now see, let, according to the question we had done the equations, now we have to solve the equations. Here 2/3 is given, this 2/3 is given. What we have to do, 2/3 both the sides, it is plus, so we have to subtract both the sides by 2/3. So 2/3 will be subtracted. So what will get the answer? Just see here. Now see, 5x/2, 2 plus 2/3 minus 2/3 will be 0. So 5x/2 equals to minus 7 minus 8/12. We have to take the LCM of 12 and 3, it will be 12. So 5x/2 equals to minus 15/12. Now what we have to do, we have to both the side, what we have to do, we have to multiply both the sides by 12. If we are shifting this 12 left hand side, okay, so what we have to do, we have to multiply both the sides. No, we have to just do the cross multiplication here. Okay students, sorry, here this 5x/2 is given equals to minus 15/12. What we have to do, we have to do the cross multiplication here, that is 2 into 15 and this 5x into 12. Yes or no? Have you understood? So cross multiplication will get the answer 60x equals to minus 30. So if we are going to shift this number, this x equals to like that, 60x equals to minus 30 is given. So x equals to minus 30/6 like that. Yes or no? It means that sub 60 will be divided. So what we have to do, we have to divide both the sides by 60. This 60 will become, and x equals to what will remain, that is minus 30/6. We have to cut this 1 and this 2. So what will remain, that is minus 1/2. Yes or no? So the rational numbers is what, x is minus 1/2. Have you understood students? Now question number 14, 15 is there. Now see, question number 14 is what? Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the numbers of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So let us see the notes which is given into is 2x, 2:3:8. So let the number of notes is 2x, 3x and 5x. So according to the question that is given, she has the currency, currency of 100, 50 and 10, and the ratio uska karna hai, ratio of this cash. So what we have to do, ratio will be multiplied, that is 100 will be multiplied by 2x, this 50 will be multiplied by 3x, and this 10, 100 will be multiplied by 2 and 50 will be multiplied by 3x, and this 10 will be multiplied by 5x. Okay, so what will given, we have to add the x values. So 2x plus 3x plus 5, what will get the answer, that is 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. Second, now we had written all the questions. Now we have to add x one side and numbers one side. So what will remain, that is 200x will remain. This is 50x is given, so that 50 into, see here it is multiplied, first you have to multiply the numbers. So we'll get the answer 200x plus 150x plus 50x equals to 4 lakh. So what we have to do now, total number of x, 200 plus 150 plus 10 50x, so we'll get the answer 400x. So 400x equals to 4 lakh, yes or no? Now what we have to do, again see in the short way you can do this, 400x equals to 4 lakh is given, yes. Now what you have to do, what we have to do, we have to just x equals to, we have to shift this number this to this side. Okay, so we'll be dividing this 400, okay, on both the sides. We'll get the answer 1000, yes or no? Now what we have to do, we have to just multiply the numbers of denominations, that is 100 notes, that is 2 into 1000, and 350 notes 3 into 1000, and 10 की notes 5 into 1000. Now you came to know that कि 100 के नोट कितने थे, 50 के नोट्स कितने थे, एंड 10 के नोट्स कितने थे, yes or no student? Now go to question number 15. Question number 15 is also same which we had done as question number 14. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Now go to question number 16. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets prize of 100 rupees, and the participants who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. Means the winners will get 100 rupees and those who are not winning, that will get the rupees 25. So the total prize money should be 3, distributed is 3,000. Now what you have to do, find the number of participants. Find the number of participants is 3. We have to find the participants का number we have to find out. वो दिया भी हुआ है total की. So total sum money is given, that is 3000 total money is given. So winners 100x है and losers 25 है. So just see, let the number of winners is, winners of 100 की जो 100 winners है, that will be taken as x, and the winners or participants, those who not win, that is it gets a prize of 25. It means that 63 minus x. Okay, those who are not the winners. So according to the question we are just framing equations, that is 100 into x plus 25 into 63 minus x equals to 3000. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply 100 into x, that is 100x. Okay, now 25 multiplied by 63 and 25 will be multiplied by x. So 25 into 63 will be 1575 minus 25 into x, that is 25x equals to 3000. Now just see, 100 and x minus 25x is there. 100 and x minus 25x is 75x plus 1575 equals to 3000. Now see here, plus 1575 is there, yes or no? 15 plus 75 is there. So what we have to do, we have to subtract both the sides by 1575. So here what will remain, only 100x will remain here, and from that side if we are doing this addition 3000 by 1575, will get the answer how much, that is will get the answer 1425. So 100x equals to 1425. Now what we have to do, this 100 is there, so we have to divide both the sides by 100 here. Okay students, so after dividing both the sides, see in the equation, subtracting 57 both the sides से पहले subtract किया. Okay, so what will get the answer, that is 7x is there, 7x. Students, there is a correction here, I think. Students, please do the correction here. Students, just see where you to do the correction. Here 7x is there, get to cut this 7x, then write down 75x. Okay, now what will remain, that is 7x. If we had 75x, sorry, 75x is for 15, 75 plus minus 1575 will get the 0, so we'll have 75x equals to 1425. Yes or no? Now what we have to do, we have to just see that we will divide both the sides by 75. Okay students, so we'll get the answer x equals to, we just divide this number, you have to divide this number and write down these answers. Okay students, please do the corrections where the 77x is written. Instead of 7x you have to write down 75x. Okay students, please do the correction and you get the answer, what will be the answer. Okay students, so here I am completing this exercise. Students, please do the correction in this question number 16. 75x is not written, 7x written. Instead of 7x you have to write down 75x and then find out the answer. It is not x equals to 19. Okay, this answer is wrong. Students, please do the correction here and find out the correct answer. Okay students, so these the questions which are similar you have to do by 8 year. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay students, thank you.